भक्तिप्रदे देवी सत्यवत्यै नमो नमः। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। सब एक साथ। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। तो मठ में हिंदी में बात करते कि बांग्ला में? हिंदी में सब बांग्ला में बोलो तो बांग्ला सीखोगे।
बांग्ला कोई है ही नहीं, बोलने से
नहीं होने पर भी आपस में बोलने पर तब भाषा ठीक होगा, तो नहीं होगा तो इससे बांग्ला में सबसे बांग्ला में बात करो।
उधर बंगाली लड़का एक है, 2-3 है, नंद प्रभु है मेरा। जो एक
मुकुंद प्रभु है, वो भी बंगाली है। और कौन है? मैं सबसे पहले अस्मदीय परम आराध्य गुरुपाद पद्म ओम विष्णुपाद परमहंस स्वामी अष्टोत्तर शत श्री श्रीमद् भक्ति वेदांत श्रील वामन स्वामी महाराज ओम विष्णुपाद परमहंस स्वामी अष्टोत्तर शत श्री श्रीमद् भक्ति वेदांत श्री नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज की अभय चरण कमलों में अनंत कोटि साष्टांग दंडवत प्रति ज्ञापन करता हूँ। तदनंतर प्रभुपाद शास्त्री ठाकुर के प्रिय परिकर श्री भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज की शुभ आविर्भाव तिथि।
आपने इंग्लिश बोलो सब
इंग्लिश तो करेगा, आप क्या बोलेगा इंग्लिश से? आप जाने तो इंग्लिश में सुन लो।
हम बोले तो ये लोग करके भाग जाएगा, आप बोले सुन के मुझे ही आपका है ना सब बेटा, सुनने के लिए सब आए।
तो आपको मिल जाएगी तो आपके पास कल कैसे आते? आप बोले इंग्लिश में तो करो बोले। सबसे पहले महाराज बोले इंग्लिश में।
आप बोलो तो आप सब ऊपर से नीचे उधर गुरुदेव बोल रहे हैं। आज नहीं ये सहायक प्रति है, हम जानते हैं गुरुदेव जो बोलते सब दूर करके देते हम तो मुझे जिसके वो आते हैं जहाँ पर आते हैं कचरा अपने बोल करके आते हैं।
अच्छा, वृंदावन का सब चले आसे क्या आसे ना
कुछ आसे ना।
So today is appearance day of Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, eternal associates of Prabhupada Saraswati Thakur. So our beloved Paramatma had discovered two main things. One, he has given sannyas, Srila Bhaktivedanta Vamana Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhaktivedanta Narayana Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhaktivedanta Vikram Goswami Maharaj. And other hand, he has given renounced order to Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj. Our beloved Paramatma Srila Bhaktivedanta Keshav Goswami Maharaj has given renounced order to so many devotees. But is meant to discover is Srila Bhaktivedanta Narayana Goswami Maharaj, 1952. He did renounced order, 3 of them at a time. And then 1959, in the Mathura Keshavji Goswami, just here was the fire pit. Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj and Bhaktivedanta Muni Maharaj. Srimad Mahaprabhu predicted that Prithivite Yatavachi Navarati Gram Sarvatra Prachar Harive Mor Nam. Wherever in the world, a city or village, each and every city and village, my name will spread out. So Mahaprabhu told. And later on, 7th Goswami Bhaktivinoda Thakur has predicted one day will come that black body and white body combined, raising their hand will chant Hari Bol, Hari Bol. He is eternal associate of Mahaprabhu and same time is eternal associate divine couple as a Kamal Manjari. He has given his own identification in Mukunda Mamastotra. Barane Torit Bastara Boli Kamala Manjari Nam Sarvara Vatsar Vayas Satata Sananda Sukhadham Korpur Seva Lolitaradhan Radhaviteswarihan Mameswari Nath Sirandanandan Amar Pranadhan Barane Torit Kamal Manjari bodily complexion like thunderbolt. Barane Bastara Boli Srila Gurudev told Bastara Boli means two meanings. Bas means is cloth. This cloth has so many full of like stars, glittering stars. Another house named village name is Taraboli. Bas Taraboli, Kamala Manjari Nam. And Ha, the Manjari name is Kamal Manjari. And is eternally Sare Bara Vatsar Vayas, 12.5. And where she lives, Sananda Sukhada Dham. Sananda Sukhada Dham means in Radhakund, in 8 directions, there is 8 prominent kunjas, Lolita, Visakha, etc. And beside them, another 8 kunjas of 8 prominent manjaris. This kunjas in beginning belongs to Sakhas, but Sakhis by force take over. So now it belongs to Sakhis. So each and every Sakhis, there is very nice kunjas. Like Lolita Ananda Kunja, Visakha Ananda Kunja, Chitra Ananda Kunja, Indulekha Ananda Kunja, Champaglata Ananda Kunja, Rangadevi Sukhada Kunja, Tungavidya Ananda Kunja, Sudevi Sukhada Kunja. This, and out of this, there is 4 Julas, 4 swing. One in Lolita's Kunja, another Chitra, another Champaglata, another Tungavidya. Different tree. Some have, first is Maurasri tree in Bakul, then Kadamba, Champaglata and Mango, 4 different trees. And from Lolita's Kunja is one staircase going on the mid of the Radhakund. There is one island. And this island, that Kunja belongs to Ananda Manjari, youngest sister of Srimati Radha Thakurani. And Radhika always on the left side of Brajanananda and Samsundar. No Sakhis, no one. But she is so pleased because with Ananda Manjari, because she renders service so many ways. Radhika became pleased and she gave her place, left side, and came to right side of Krishna. Where? Krishna has 3 prominent features. One is Madan Mohan, presiding deity of Mandavatta, relationship. Second is Govinda Dev, Abhidya Datta. Third is Prajandatta, Gopinath. When he completely captured or captivated by gopis, then he became Gopinath. Then Radhika, she took her place, right side of Krishna, and placed her Ananda Manjari, left side of Krishna. So that is Sananda Sukhada Kunja. Radhika and Krishna became very pleased, give so much pleasure. That Kunja belongs to Ananda Manjari. And Kamala Manjari telling Sananda Sukhada Dham, she is living with Ananda Manjari Sarvya. Why is some Sampradayik mystery? When time will come, I will tell which I heard from Srila Gurudev and Guru Maharaj were discussing. I am bypassing now, going ahead. So, this Kamal Manjari. And our all Guru Vargas, they are Manjarians serving there. There is 2 sides of service. One is under guidance of Rupa Manjari, another under guidance of Ananda Manjari. Or almost all Guru Vargas, they are glorifying so much to Rupa Manjari. And on the other hand, some are following Ananda Manjari, and prominent follower of Ananda Manjari is Kamal Manjari Bhakti Vinod Thakur. So, all Manjaris, they have qualities to be independent heroine, but they give up their idea and they want to be made servant of Srimati Radha Thakurani. Ananda Manjari, being Manjari, but she has this Abhiman independent heroine, and Radhika is very pleased with her. So, Srila Param Gurudev Bhaktivedanta Keshav Goswami Maharaj discovered Gurudev and Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj. What Mahaprabhu predicted, one day will come, wherever city and village all over the world, my name will spread out. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur one day will come. The black complexion and fair complexion combined, raising their hand and chant Haribol, Haribol. It's going on. And this is done by, miraculously done by Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, our Dadu. It happened. And other hand, after this depart, when any influence Acharya depart from this world, then black period always come. What happened? See, so many followers of Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj give up this line. So many sannyasis, drinking alcohol, smoking marijuana, cigarette, and taking meat, etc. Because being with Gurudev over 30 years, I have seen all this. So many came to Gurudev. Gurudev make them understand. Gurudev is restored their bhakti. And so many sannyas, they give everything. Gurudev bring them in line. Some took sannyas, some are not taking, but still they are following bhakti and doing very well. So, it's mentioned that Krishna Sakti Bina Nahi Prachar, without the potency of Krishna, preaching is not possible. Look, there Krishna's potency, the deed is to liberated soul. Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Bhaktivedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj, both discovered by Bhaktivedanta Keshav Goswami Maharaj. So what happened? In this world you can see that father doing so hard labor and making money. And what he's doing is keeping for his children, kids and grandkids. Kids and grandkids, they are not doing so much effort. What father is depositing, they are using, and very happy. You can see in this world. Same way, our Dadu, Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, how he went to Western country by cruise ship, and how we are going flying. Never going by cruise ship. Once I did journey with Gurudev in Canada, from Vancouver to Spring Island by boat. Otherwise everywhere by flight. Not only me, one Maharaj, people who are traveling, Siddhar Maharaj, Siddhar, all are going by flight. Look, our grandfather, he deposited this, and we are enjoying, we are serving them. Moreover, when he went, he has to do everything being in advanced age. He will have to cook, he has to cut vegetables, and after cooking offering, and again to serving them, when initially fire serving, everything is doing. And we are, there are so many followers here and there. When in traveling, they are cooking. Some they are cooking too, but when they are cooking, they are doing kirtan. Then all arrangement done very nicely. Why? This is too liberated soul. We have nothing to worry at all. Look how they are doing. When Srila Swami Maharaj first came to Prabhupada, first he has some hatred mood for sadhus. Swami said, like this, that. So some causes are there, he has some hatred mood for sadhus. Then what happened? Once one spent a rain, one sadhu has come. Let us go. But no, I have no desire. But that sadhu speak in English language. What? Sadhu speaking English language? Yes. And Swami Maharaj has educated in English medium. And Prabhupada English is so high, unbelievable. If you read, maybe some of you are intellectual giant in English, like Vijay is there, Anadi is there, Anupam and Haridev, maybe they are very good in English. If you read Prabhupada Sarada Thakur's commentary, actually commentary Jiva Goswami Pad, Brahma Samhita, Prabhupada translated. You don't understand at one page. So difficult. But Brahma Samhita to whom? Tamal Krishna Bhaja is come and other is to come. Once he did. After that again Gurudev has to go to court case, Bombay court case so many times. Then again. Then when he read thoroughly with Gurudev, twice then told, oh Gurudev, I had one very false ego. It crashed by you. What I crashed with false ego? I had one idea. I noticed an idea from beginning of my ISKCON life that I am an intellectual giant. But when I read Brahma the first time, I could not understand one page. I am taking Oxford Dictionary, still could not understand. Then I think, became one Indian, especially Bengali, how he can speak, how he can write so highly English. My completely false ego pressed. After that, Krishna Maharaj published one book, Brahma Samhita, but never give the name of Gurudev. I learned from him. When the book came to Gurudev, some and they told they laughing so much. But by that way, he could not get mercy of Guru Vargas. Always have to give credit to Guru Vargas, especially if you learn in anything, that your senior or junior have to give credit. So now coming, the Swami Maharaj, what happened? He had big medical shop in Allahabad. Gurudev, my Guru Maharaj, Jivito Maharaj, they traveled for a few times there. After that, even is so famous, even former Prime Minister of India, Mr. Nehru and his daughter Indira Gandhi, their families to take medicine purchased from his shop. Then he came to Calcutta. He became GM, General Manager of Bengal Chemicals, failure. Then all his family members, why you are good and make money, you can go. So he starts translating Srimad Bhagavatam. So his wife was fond of tea. There is no money. She sold out that paper as a normal paper and purchased tea. And then Simon became very disturbed. Later on, he came back. So what you like, you can choose between me or tea, between me or tea, between me and tea. She told tea. Then Simon said, oh, now time has come, I have to give up this place. He came and he has very good intimacy with Gurudev. Because Gurudev is the first person, the Hindi-speaking person joining Gaudiya Math. So Gurudev became recipient of mercy all Gaudiya Vaishnavas, especially the associate of Prabhupada, Saraswati Thakur. After Gurudev, so many came, but Gurudev first person, Hindi-speaking person. As before, Odia, Bengali, Odia, Assamese, these three. What happened? So Swami Maharaj came and he has some formula to make like ringworm, some ras on this, and making medicine and distributing shop to shop. Gurudev rule was every day he'll wake up 2:30, maximum 3 a.m. Mainly 2:30, and he'll write, translate. Then do some stop stuti and come Mangal Arati. Again going back, then he will chant his Gayatri mantras and Harinam. Sometimes doing some Harinam before Mangal Arati also. And Mangal Arati everybody has to attend. Otherwise, morning prasad stop. 2 days, then midday prasad stop. And 3 days, then 3 times prasad stop. 1 day, 1 prasad stop. 2 days, 2 prasad. 3 days, 3 prasad stop. And stand up in class whole time. So, after completing, Gurudev will go to Jamuna for Achaman, then come and take breakfast. So one day he went. And he saw Swami Maharaj here. Prabhu, Prabhu, we are here. Yes, what we are doing? Because Krishna was very simple-hearted. He told, I am doing this and this. Why doing this? When he met first time his Gurudev Prabhupada Saraswati Thakur, he ordered him to preach in Western country in English language. He met twice or thrice maximum. 2 times and 3 times, maybe, may not be. Only twice. And we are so fallen when being with Gurudev 24 hours serving, we could not progress. So what happened? Gurudev said, no. Well, you can come in mott and be in mott and preach. But no way. Well, why not? Well, you can take sannyas. No. He told that I am very scared to take sannyas. Then Gurudev came back. Je Jan Krishna Bhajan Se Bada Chatur. Who is doing bhajan of Krishna became very clever. What Gurudev did? He came back and he told to Kunja Bihari Prabhu, he was from military background. Kunja Bihari chalo haya Bangali Ghat. And Gurudev asked, where are you living? Radhasam Dharmasala, still Dharmasala there. What is the room number? 49 or something, he told. Gurudev went and knocked door. He opened door and Gurudev told, Kunja Bihari, take all baggages. Look, what you are doing? For what purpose I came and did that? By force he brought him. So here, at the girl sitting, there is a wall here. This was half. This is a pillar, this is half of Natya Mandir. Half here, again one wall here. The one room for Parudev Bhajan Kuti, and that side was Good Parudev bathroom. Then here, 2 rooms. Situation changed. 1 room for guests, 2 rooms. One Swami Maharaj stayed, another room. After that, Swami Maharaj sit and one Maharaj staying in that room. After that, Swami Maharaj Bhagna was there, I was there, then one Maharaj they occupied there. So what happened? Gurudev told we have to take sannyas. But no way. I am very scared. It mentioned that Paroti Bhikshu Patikeya Hinam, upon whom I bestow my mercy, I make him street breader. Yada Jasonu Grimnami Harishcheta Dhanam Sanai, to whom I bestow my mercy, I steal his oil gradually. Well, what is remaining? All your oil has stolen, you have big medical shop gone, you became Bengal chemical manager, gone, that post. In this world, everyone doing for his children and special UI, your wife kick you out. What is remaining there? Why not taking sannyas? But it's not ready. Gurudev to listen. It mentioned, Je kare amar astar kori sarvanas. Who is keeping hope on Krishna, Krishna destroys everything. Tabu na chhade amadas bhayanita daser das. Even still not giving up my hope, I became servant of the people. Why not taking one stop? Every day teaching, listen. Once Maharaj Yudhishthira, not married yet, one day asked, well, I want some benediction. What? Bade bhai? You want benediction? Yes. What? I want the richest and wealthiest person in the world. So be it. I want my wife will be very beautiful, this time much more beautiful than Miss Universe, and she will be completely under my control. According to my desire, she will move. Tathastu. I want my brothers to be very powerful, very qualified. My sons and my nephews will be very qualified, but always under my control. If I told them, stand up, sit down, sit down. And I never will be defeated in battlefield. Every tathastu, tathastu, tathastu. But he never told I should not be defeated in Pasakhela, chess match. So he got defeated. So what happened? अच्छा भूख लगी थी महाराज इधर लगा था बोला So what happened? Why not taking scope? Then preaching every day. Then the Vishnu, you are asking, yes, why? In this planet, people are very scared to do bhajan of you. Because he told, Karoti Bhikshupati Hinam and Horishat Bhakaran Samai. Someone do bhajan. All bhajan are demigods and demigoddesses. When they will see, I am doing your bhajan, I am the richest person in the world, I am the happiest person in the world, my wife is most beautiful in the world, everything under my control, I never got defeat. So I will light post for the whole universe, sing me, they bound to do your bhajan. I am asking this benediction for you, not for me. Because I am your devotee, you are Bhakta Vatsal, always fulfill your desire of your devotee. So I did so. Every day preaching, the meantime Param Gurudev came. And Guru Maharaj, Gurudev told to this. Well, yes, Narayan speaking true, you have to take sannyas. Became very bold, Param Gurudev. And speak something, then he became silent. Maunam Sambhati Lakshanam. If some discussion going on, and you are agree or not, but you are silent, that is symptom of agreement. Then still he is in a dilemma. Then one devotee name was what? Sanatan Prabhu. He was 90 at that time. So, oh Prabhu, if you take sannyas, you are the disciple of Prabhu. I will take sannyas too with you. Then, radiant sannyas were taken place here. He became Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj and Sanatana became Bhaktivedanta Muni Maharaj. So what happened? Then preaching going on, he went to America. And how he preached, unbelievable. 1 year, no success. When he is closing eyes chanting, Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Then all the hippies with his rhythm they are dancing. And there are so many hippies, so many bombs. There are so many bombs still, but not at the time. Not so many. You know bumps means? Bumps. बम्स जो घर बाड़ी नहीं है, पार्क में एक्सरसाइज होते हैं, ये अमेरिकन इंग्लिश है। So what happened? So what they are giving? They are giving the alcohol bottle, giving cigarette. What they have? When you open eyes, something there, some gone. They are coming and dancing. Like once Jagai Madhai came when Mahaprabhu started the last dance. They came very close to Siddhartha Pandit's house, and from distance They are listening Mahamantra and Kirtan, and they are drinking and dancing. They mention Chaitanya Bhagavatam. So say they are doing their Swami Jagannath. And what happened? 1 year no success. Then he's coming back to India to find out if there is any scholarship going back. No Gurudev at that time. Only 100% dependent Gurudev. So he came. Then his ship will come in the dark. Then he talked to them. Then he saw one board, unalloyed steel, unalloyed sleeping billboard. Oh, I have to unalloyed devotion. Came back. Then start again, Kirtan and preaching. In Tom Skin Square Park. I have been there twice in Gurudev and this Parikrama keeping his photo and do Kirtan with a big lecture. And when we come first time in India, only Gurudev Srila Bhaktivedanta Narayana Goswami Maharaj alone to greet him in the airport, no one else. And when no one was to take prasad with that foreign devotees. No one, so many years. Minister, why not? One gold from mine, direct one by chemically processing gold. Both are same value. When somebody is Grihito Vishnu Diksha, Vishnu Puja Paranara, they are giving initiation, taking into my bona fide Guru. And then why not? Who is the first person to prasad with them in being same line? No one else. So, Sri Sangha is so much mercy on Gurudev. Now, one will speak and in autumn and